Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at double trouble right here. A couple X3 Turbo RR Maverick XRS's. Heading out today. Family members right here. You know these guys are gonna have a blast when they get out together in these two bad boys. These units have the Ryco Street Legal kit on them, as well as the additional mirrors that are added on the side. We absolutely love this kit. Great visibility. We absolutely love this machine. You got the smart shocks on there. Bead locks, 32-inch tires, retractable harnesses. You gotta love those. If you don't have retractable harnesses, you're missing out. I'll never go back to regular harnesses. Very nice, very nice. Which one would you pick? The one on the right or the one on the left? Post up in the comments below. Let us know which one you'd like to take home with you. Excited to see these get out on the desert, the dunes, the trails, the rocks. Great machines from Can-Am. 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We do have all the good accessories for the X3's in stock, ready to go. Oh yeah, Fender Flairs on there. Back window screen on there. Looking good. Couple hundred horsepower in there. Amazing suspension, amazing seats. Gotta love it. Have a great day, everybody.